If you're in year 13 doing A-level maths, you probably have seen the reciprocal trig functions, but if you have not, save this video for later because you're going to need it soon. So you've got the 3 reciprocal trig functions, cosec, sec, and cot. The way to remember them is to look at the third letter, right? Look at the third letter of cosec. It is S, 1 over sine, okay? Now look at the third letter of sec, it's C, so 1 over cos. And the third letter of cot is T, so basically 1 over tan. I mean, really it's cos over sine. That is the real definition, right? Because remember, tan is equal to sine over cos. So cot is defined to be cos over sine. But I'm going to explain to you why cos over sine is not always the same as 1 over tan, right? Most of the time it is, but sometimes it's not, right? So cos over sine is 1 over tan nearly always, but not actually always, right? I'm going to show you an example. So let's sub in x equals 90 into cos over sine. So we get cos 90 0, sine 91, 0 over 1 is equal to 0, right? But if you plug in x equals 90 into tan 90 is undefined. It's an asymptote. You know from your graph of y equals tan x, you get asymptotes at 90 degrees, 270, 450, so on and so on, right? So when you plug in these x values of the asymptotes, you get a math error, right? So cot 90 is 0, but 1 over tan 90 is not defined. So basically, cot 90 is the same as 1 over tan, apart from when x is 90, 270, 450, or the negative ones, right? So you can write it using basically an nth term formula like this. N is an integer, right? So that z, remember, that just means integer. So in radians, cot is equal to 1 over tan only if x does not equal pi n, take away pi over 2 radians. If you do have any questions, let me know. There is a free revision guide on this in the link in my bio.